I just simply made a list of all the students and schools you have held before and since your incarceration. With that kind of evidence, it's kind of hard for them hold on there.
Verdammt doch mal, bist du ein schlauer Typ. I am so grateful to you, you know, Father. And I can give you my word right now that I will do everything in my power to focus on my communities, my community projects and programs, and less other stuff that might cause you or me additional gray hairs.
Here you go, sir. You sure you don't want anything stronger?
Oh no, thank you so much.
Babe, if you need me, you know where I am.
Alright, sweetie. Thanks much.
I'm betting you that it's more comfortable than the cell.
A whole lot more, my friend.
That is why I keep myself circumspect.
Can I say I blame you?
You know much people would love to see me incarcerated?
Speaking as we speak though, bro. Pink Boss was telling me that there's some phone grabbing clique happening about the place.
No, worry about that. Action. We have taken care of that. The only problem is, you ever watch on cable when them tell you, say, that drug is good for you, but side effects might include? Well, the cure we put on this one, side effects include butcher in a jail.
What you say? Butcher? Fever?
Yeah. Butcher lived up to his name. He stabbed one of my people.
So, how that happened?
Too long to explain. We had an operation going on. The 3 musketeers rolled in. And Butcher played D'Artagnan and stabbed my agent undercover. But all well that ends well. Was life-threatening, but Butcher don't know that yet. And he's doing 3 months for the misdemeanor. He's not going in the system, but you need to learn a lesson.
Okay. In all of the confusion, I'm really glad say it now in the system. You understand? Because Butcher really would still the father money. It's just unfortunate this thing happened. So he never knows an agent?
No, and he still doesn't.
That means I forgot link it is one vicious man. Find out. Wow, go on.
That may not be such a good idea. Up there's a little unsettled and warm. I want to keep it as quiet as I can. And when you arrive, quiet is not going to be the term. So, Butcher is in my company. Hittis, I think, is on the ground keeping quiet. Vicious might be in Paris now. I never heard the boy could have run so.
Oh God. All time people say you have to use bad things make laugh. But Vicious was always on the wild side, you know? Really unfortunate. But I must admit, all in all, I appreciate everything you do. Not just for me, but for all of the people that around me. It will not be forgotten in a hurry.
All I want you to do for me is maintain the peace and develop on the good work that you're doing. That'll justify the treatment that I've given you. So, I need to make a run. I have some places to be. In the meantime, try stay out of trouble.
friend, staying out of trouble might not be such a possible option right now.
How come?
Double trouble is waiting, wrapped up in my bed.
Ah, big man.
Maestro, once again,
What's up?
thanks. Our village in my friend. Yeah, me walk it out to the vehicle.
Now you're licensed to go through the door.
Yeah, you see what I mean? It feels different.
Tell the lady in the house I was here.
Yes, man, no problem. Oh, maestro.
George, you really didn't make me come on and leave. I'm going to tell him good night.
Sorry, baby, man. You know, I said,
My manners have left.
I understand, Mr. Mullins. Anyway, seeing that you didn't want to celebrate with us, you didn't want anything strong to drink, I am offering you a drink. That's all.
so celebrate on your own time.
You see, you woman try to make me drunk and take advantage of me.
Have a good night.
Blessings, my friend. All right. Yeah. It was a good day.
Hey. Hey.
One big, some more fermenter here, madam.
Yeah, man, let's put it all right.
Alright.
All right.
We are going good.
Do they have everything?
Yeah, we can have everything.
Alright, plate, cup, napkin. What the fuck? Oh, fine. Wait then. Babe, what the fuck them?
Yo, no, I forget something, you know. Oh, I forget the most important thing.
Well, you have to go get them. People then can't eat with them and
Yeah, I have a couple more things more to pick up on the road too.